Okay, now I am discussing about file permission. If I go to my tutorial series and I bookmark a link which describes the file permission properly, so yeah, I told you the first character you remove and you think the other character, every portion has a three part, one, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Okay, the first portion is the user who created the file, and second portion is the group, uh, the particular user, that means the this group permission, and third portion is the other user, that means the user, other user not in the user one. Okay, so R means read access, W means write access, and X means access. Execution access is, the read and write, but execution access is when you are using Windows. Windows has some file, exe file, that is setup file. In Linux, the sh is the setup file. If you want to run any execution file, then you need to that type of permission. Okay, so in practical I am showing something you. uh, Now this I am using as a root user. Now I create another file, that is touch or vim, test2.txt, and here I create, I insert test2 file. Okay, only simple text I write there. Okay, and wq, that is save. If I logged in as a Taposh user and write ls, you see test2.txt file also present there, but you cannot modify this file because you are not the uh, only ls-l. You see the file is created by the root user, and you are not in you are not a root user, and you are not present in root user group. And so what change can you to modify the file? Okay, so this area means others area. Okay, so others area, others user only read this file, not any modify write permission for this file. Okay, so I am going as a root user. Now I change the other user permission. Okay, so I write um, chmod change mode, and other user is O plus which access you need, write access. Then I write test2.txt. Okay, so if I run again ls-l, then you see the other user write permission also present this file. Okay, now you are a other user. So if I write ls-l, that time before I am writing this, giving this permission, you see the only other user has only read permission. But now if I run this command again, you see the other users write permission also present there. Now if I use the vim and test2 file, I can easily modify the file. Okay, so I going to the insert mode, and yeah, now I am modifying this file. Okay, so if I close wq, and you see the save also working, and if I write to cat and test2 dot txt, now see my line also present there. Okay, so that way you when you are not modifying any file, or you are facing any problem to change any file, then you see the ls-l command, then you understand why you are not writing this file. Okay, So this command is very helpful, and this tutorial also read, write, execution power. So if you want to change the owner, so if you change to modify the user, then you need to chmod, chmod. And if you want to give privilege main user, then you need to u. If you want to give privilege of the group, then you write g first character before the colon. If you want to other user privilege, then write o. Okay, so this is very helpful command. If you want to write permission all the user in text.txt uh, file, then how can you write this? Okay, so very simple, chmod ugo plus r. Now you see the write permission only this file, only the user, not group and not any not user. Okay, not other user. So I am providing the write permission r, and next write the file name .txt. So if I write this command again, l, then you see the permission is modified, and all if first three portion, that is the user portion, you see the write permission also present. You see the write permission also the group user, and other user ugo write. Okay, so get the permission other user also. Okay, so yeah, read write. But if you want to stop the privilege write user only for the group, then you can write chmod plus plus sign is for giving permission and minus sign for remove permission. Okay, so I write g minus w test dot txt file. Okay, so if I run this command again, ls-l, then you see the write permission are not present in for this group. Okay, so I think you understand properly the file permission portion of Linux. Bye bye.